Hi viewers, what's up? First of all, I'd like to thank all the viewers who have appreciated my last video by subscribing my channel. If you are new, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get upcoming notifications. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and family. In my last video, I've committed to share some more tips and tricks of WhatsApp. With that continuation, today I'll share 3 cool, awesome and secret tricks of WhatsApp that will be helpful for your daily usage. So welcome to my channel A to Z Classroom 2020. Joining just after a short intro. In my device, see, I'm using the WhatsApp dark mode. In my previous video, I've already shared how to activate it. If you missed it, just go to the I button showing up screen of this video and watch it. We used to send reply of someone's text by this way. Isn't it time consuming? So, I'm showing you a very quick and easy trick. Just swipe the message from left to right and look, it's ready. Now just type and send. We used to send voice message to someone by holding the voice recording button. But if we want to stop and not to send, then what to do? Holding the voice recording button, just pull it up. You will find a lock sign and then just release it. Now you have an option whether you would like to send or cancel. If you like to cancel, just tap on the cancel button. Otherwise, tap on the send button. There's another option. Holding the voice recording button while recording, and if you don't want to send, just swipe right to left. The recording will be immediately erased. Isn't it cool? In WhatsApp, we often send images. But did you ever try to decorate it in your own way? Let me show you. First of all, choose a background. You may choose a picture also. Place an emoji from the emoji library. There are so many emojis. For this trick, I am choosing the surprise emoji. See, I can make it larger or smaller. I can rotate it as per my preference. Now the interesting thing is that by moving fingers on the color rainbow bars, the color of the object can be changed. If you want, you can use some more objects like speech box. Here I am using the cloud speech box. The same way I can change its color also. Now, if I wish to add some text, I can also do that. I'm writing here, for example, wow. By swiping right to left from the color bar, the font type will be also changed. Now I'm adding a thumbs up from the emoji library and placing it at the right. Wow! Now it's ready for sending. I wish these tricks may help you in your daily WhatsApp usage. If you like my video, Please subscribe, like and share, and of course do comment. By getting your comment, I will be inspired. See you all in my next video with some more tricks and tips of WhatsApp. Till then, take care.